Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing this new Black & Decker blender. It is gold and white color, as you can see right here, and there's an avocado hopefully in there, because unless there isn't, then that would be false advertising. Alright, so let's get into this. Well, we want to make these cuts careful. You see my face? My face is the most important thing. Focus on my face, okay? Alright, now we will carefully take it and carefully. It's nice. That's satisfying, very satisfying. Hey look, we did get the avocado. It's right here. So, thumbs up already from me. Now, you might want to put this knife away before someone gets hurt. Okay? Where should we put the knife? You know what? I'm gonna put it away. Let me walk back over here. Alright. Now, let's get into the unboxing. Gotta roll out the guns. Okay. Alright. Whoa. Oh, wow. This is a lot better quality plastic than I expected. This? You hear that? That's good quality plastic. What'd you say? Oh, it's glass. Really? I think it's hard plastic. You're stupid. Alright, let's just leave that over here. It's not gold yet, so I'm hoping to get some real gold in here. Ooh. Guys, look at this. Look at the mother load, guys. Look at that. It's wrapped really tight. I don't know how we're going to do this, but we will. We got the lid out. Guys, we are yet another step closer to accomplishing full unboxing. Ooh, wow, it's taped. That's a sign of real good quality when you have to tape something down. Ooh. Alright. So, finally, we got the part everyone wants to see. We got the motor. Guys, this 10 out of 10 best motor I've seen. To me that doesn't look that gold. It looks more of a silverish color. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like it's got a lot of different settings there. You see that? Press that. Boom. Alright, do they think I'm a child or something? Look, they had to lock that up. Did you just assume my gender? Oh, wow. Alright. Well, that's the end of the unboxing, guys. And as always, see you later.